Hi, I'm currently doing Paul McWhorter's Pico W lessons, and we're up to lesson number 54 when he wanted us to create a running rainbow effect, commonly known as a runbow. And I'm using my Cosmic Unicorn for this because I'd already done more or less the equivalent when in last week's lesson or the lesson before, the lesson before, can't remember. Now I'm using the Adafruit kind of how to find colours, and the only thing wrong when I'm getting the colours, I'll just show you. Displayed on the Cosmic Unicorn, I had to fudge yellow. Yellow just didn't come out right, so I've just had to, I'm calculating all the RGB values, but I'm then overwriting the yellow one. I won't bother to show anyone the code until afterwards because no one's really interested if you don't have a Cosmic Unicorn. So we'll run this. And I haven't got, that's better, I hadn't quite got the top. So that is just running through the colours of the rainbow. Right, click for next demo. That is a band of 3 of the same colour going up, and then that's designed to make you feel sick. Right, I can change some of the parameters. I won't bother to show the first thing, so I will comment some things out. Otherwise you have to watch the whole thing again. Right, and so down to here. I hope this will work. Right. At the moment I was doing it vertically, but if I put horiz equals 2, hopefully it will do it horizontal, and the bandwidth I'll change that to, I don't know, 1. I'll try running that. Right, so that's going horizontally and it's only 1 wide, and that's going diagonally. So that's my program. Now, is there anything that anyone really, it's just working out, drawing lines from one place to another and going round and round and things. So I will just show the code in case anyone is remotely interested. You can pause it and look at it. You can pause it and look at it. Right down here. Of no use really unless you're using a matrix of some kind. And there. And there you have it.